Looking for the best affordable drones for beginners in 2026? Whether you're buying your very first drone, capturing stunning aerial photos, or simply looking for an easy-to-fly model without breaking the bank, we've got you covered. In this video, we've rounded up the best budget-friendly drones you can buy right now based on camera quality, flight stability, battery life, beginner-friendly features, and overall value. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. DJI Mini 4K Fly. The DJI Mini 4K Fly More combo is a compact and beginner-friendly drone that delivers impressive aerial photography and videography in a lightweight package weighing under 249 grams. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and a 3-axis gimbal, it captures sharp, smooth footage with excellent stabilization. The drone offers up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission, intelligent quick shots for effortless cinematic clips, and an auto-return feature for added flight safety. The Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, providing up to 93 minutes of total flight time, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions. Combining portability, reliable performance, and advanced flight features, the DJI Mini 4K is an excellent choice for beginners, travelers, and content creators. Number 2. Anti-Gravity A1. The Anti-Gravity A1 Infinity Bundle is an advanced 8K 360° camera drone designed for immersive aerial photography, cinematic content creation, and intuitive flight control. Featuring an ultra-high-resolution 8K camera, it captures stunning panoramic videos and photos, while the included dual micro-OLED goggles provide an immersive first-person viewing experience. With up to 39 minutes of flight time per battery, point-to-fly motion controls, deep track subject tracking, and intelligent auto-return, the drone offers both convenience and safety. AI-powered features such as Auto Edit, Sky Genie, and a built-in voice assistant simplify capturing and editing professional quality footage, making the Anti-Gravity A1 Infinity Bundle an excellent choice for creators seeking cutting-edge technology and effortless aerial filmmaking. Number 3. Ruco F11 PRO2 Plus Drone. The Ruco F11 PRO2 Plus drone is a feature-packed aerial camera drone designed for adults, beginners, and photography enthusiasts seeking high-quality performance. Equipped with a 48MP camera capable of capturing stunning 8K photos and a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, it delivers sharp, smooth, and professional-looking aerial footage. The drone includes 2 intelligent batteries for an impressive total flight time of up to 74 minutes and offers a long-range transmission distance of up to 20,000 feet for expanded exploration. With user-friendly flight controls, GPS-assisted features, and a durable design, the Ruco F11 PRO2 Plus is an excellent choice for capturing breathtaking landscapes, travel memories, and cinematic content with confidence and ease. Number 4. FPV Drone with 4K Camera. The FPV drone with 4K camera is a beginner-friendly quadcopter designed for adults who want an easy and enjoyable flying experience. Featuring a 4K camera for capturing crisp aerial photos and videos, it includes a remote controller with a built-in large display for convenient real-time viewing without the need for a smartphone. The package comes with 2 rechargeable batteries for extended flight sessions and a carrying case for easy transport and storage. With optical flow positioning, stable flight controls, and intuitive beginner-friendly features, this drone offers reliable performance and is an excellent gift for first-time pilots, hobbyists, and anyone looking to explore aerial photography. Number 5. Ruco Drone with 4K. The Ruco Drone with 4K UHD camera is a lightweight, feature-packed drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts seeking high-quality aerial photography and reliable performance. Weighing under 249 grams, it is FAA exempt in many situations, making it easy to fly and travel with. It features a 4K UHD camera capable of capturing 8K photos, paired with a 3-axis brushless gimbal for smooth, stabilized footage. With an impressive 20,000-foot transmission range, 3 intelligent batteries providing up to 96 minutes of total flight time, and intelligent GPS features such as Follow Me and Auto Return, this drone offers a safe, intuitive, and enjoyable flying experience. Combining long flight endurance, advanced stabilization, and user-friendly controls, it is an excellent choice for beginners, travelers, and content creators alike. That wraps up our list of the best affordable drones for beginners in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect drone for your budget and flying experience. All the featured drones and their latest prices are linked in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone reviews, buying guides, and the latest tech recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.